Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about something important, which is basically very useful when you try to write a query, or I would say sub-query, right? Joining multiple tables using one key in one table and matching that key in another table, right? So let me write this, then I will explain what exactly I'm talking about. So first one is, let's say, primary key. Second is foreign key. And also we'll discuss about unique constraint. Unique constraint. All right. So let's say that you have a table like employee details, and employee salary, right? So employee details, let's say that employee details is having, let me write this. So employee ID, all right, employee phone number, and I will also add one more, employee gender. Let's take only this, right? And in employee salary, I will have employee ID, employee salary, right? Let's take only two columns. All right, let me change the color so that I am going to, okay, take another color. Okay. So now I have two tables. Both are related to employees only. All right. Suppose say employee ID 1, 2, 3, and 4. Employee phone number, let's say 988 something something 988 something 988, whatever it is, right? And gender M, F, F, M. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So employee salary 25K, 28K, 52K, and 80K, right? So basically, what is happening here, if I want to access the complete details of an employee, so we have seen in earlier video, I can join these two tables and get all the details, right? Using, let's say, inner join, right? Inner join. All right. So basically what is happening here, even if I want to join two tables using some special key, right? When I say special key, that key is nothing but a primary key, right? What are those primary key, right? We will see how to join, how to write a subquery or an inner query. So in that case, primary key and foreign key concept will be more clear. But here we are trying to understand what is primary key and foreign key. All right. So I am going to call employee ID is the primary key. I am also going to call employee ID is a foreign key, and this is, let's call it as a PK, FK. You may ask that, okay, both are same. Why are you calling primary key and why another one is calling as a foreign key? So it is concept, there is a concept called a parent table and child table. What are these? So it means that the key in the parent table, the key in the parent table is called a primary key. The same key, if I'm going to refer in another table, and that table is being called child table, and the key which I'm referring in the child table will be called a foreign key. So it means that the key present in the parent table is also present in another table, right? That another table is child table. So that time this primary key and foreign key concepts comes into a picture, right? So now I have also written this unique constraint. What is this? Right? When I should call a primary key. So the primary keys most of the time are unique keys, unique data. So when I say unique data, isn't my employee IDs are unique? Isn't it? Can I have a duplicate employee IDs? No, right? So these IDs, right, are basically what? Unique, right? So it means that I can refer a column in a parent table which are having a unique keys like a employee ID. I'm going to call it as a primary key. And I will take this employee ID, right? I will take this employee ID. If I want to fetch a salary, I will take this employee ID and refer this ID into child table. This is the child table. Child table, and compare that primary key or ID with child table foreign key, right? Taking a primary key from the parent table, comparing against a child table, right? Comparing a key in a parent table, in a child table, comparing in the child table, and what are the keys? Foreign key in the child table, primary key in the parent table, and whichever the keys are going to match, so those details I'm going to extract or fetch, right? So this is the concept behind a parent table, child table, primary key and foreign key. Let me repeat once again. Primary key will be referred in the parent table, and that key will be compared against child table foreign key, and whichever the keys are going to match, those details are going to be fetched, like employee ID from parent table, let me call parent table, equal to employee ID in the child table. And these IDs are basically primary key, and this one is a foreign key. The name they have given this kind of a terms. And when I can call a primary key and foreign key, if those keys are unique. If those keys are unique, like a employee ID, and also you can think about a roll number in your college, hall tickets in the exam, right? So it means that whenever I am creating this particular column, employee ID, I have to create this column using a unique. I have to mention unique constraint. I have to apply this unique constraint. All right. So this is the idea behind primary key and foreign key and a unique constraint. Remember, primary key and foreign keys are always unique, right? They both are from different table. One is parent table and child table. So you don't need to, you will not find a name with a parent table, but they will be referred as a parent table, right? These are the terms you need to understand. So you can, in simple term, you can call parent table is the main table also, the master table you can say, right? Main table or a master table, and this guy you can assume it as a sub table for your understanding. All right. So yes, that's all about in this video. So thanks for watching this video. Keep learning. Thank you.